So we've created a bottle and suppose we want to know how much fluid would fill in this bottle up to a certain height. So I put a work plane up here at my fill height. And of course, if we want to fill this up right up to the top, we could move that work plane up higher or offset it up higher. And so we set the work plane for the height of whatever we want to fill this volume. And then I'm going to go to create and I'll do boundary fill. And I'm going to select that work plane and I'm going to select the bottle itself. And then I'm going to tell to select these cells that I want. So I'll click here for select cells. Now I'm not sure why there are two boxes here, but I'm going to select this one. And I'm going to tell it to create a new body with that cell that's inside of here. So I'll say OK to that. And so now I see the issue now is it actually picked it in between these two faces. So that isn't really what I want to do. So I'm going to undo that and I'll do that again. So I'll do create the boundary fill. Again, I'll select this plane. I'll select the body. Select cells, and this time I'm going to select this cell over here and tell it new body. I'll say OK. And so now that time it filled the inside. Now I'm worried about whether it went all the way out to the outside or not. So I'm going to turn off the original body. And so you see, so here's the original body, the bottle. And if I close that, so we just have the inside of this. And so I might change the color properties of that. So I'm going to go to my appearance and I'm going to put some other color property on this. And I'm going to leave section analysis. And then so this is the fluid inside. And then this is the bottle containing the fluid. Okay. And if we go back to our section analysis, so the bottle and then the fluid with the level height we put. So if we change now the height or the dimensions of this bottle, it will update that volume, and we can get that volume by right-clicking on this and tell it to show us the properties of that. It's going to give it to us in cubic millimeters. If we need to convert that to liters or quarts or gallons, we can do that. And keep in mind that this e to the 6 is exponential notation, so we'd move the decimal place 6 places, 1, 2, 3, and 3 more to the right to get that number.